Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Michael from teachermichaelonline.com, and in today's video I wanted to show you how you can make a stand-up desk for less than $35. I've been teaching standing up for the last 3 years, and in the past I've talked about why I teach standing up, and the main reason is that it gives me a little bit more energy. It helps make my classes a little more lively, and in turn that helps me engage with my students. But I haven't really talked a lot about how I created my stand-up desk, or more importantly, how you can create one at home. So that's what we're gonna do today. Before we get into today's video, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please take a moment right now to do so. And once you've done that, let's get into today's video. To create your stand-up desk, you really only need 2 things, and it's very likely that you already own one of them. The first thing that you're gonna need is one of these. This is your basic, standard, run-of-the-mill ironing board, and if I'm being honest, I didn't actually own one, so I had to go out and get one for the purposes of this video. The ironing board cost me about $20. The other thing that you're gonna need is one of these. This is a wooden box that I picked up at IKEA for $13. That's it. You take the box, you put it on top of the ironing board, and you've got yourself a stand-up desk. The nice thing about this type of box is you can either put it vertically on top of the ironing board or horizontally like this. So it can really adjust for different heights. I am 6'2", so I put it in the vertical setting, and I can get my camera just about at eye level. So if you're 6'2" and under, this is a great option for you. The other thing I like about this setup is that you're still able to store props underneath your laptop, so you're not wasting valuable counter space. I also love the fact that you can set this up anywhere in your living space. So there may be an area of your house or your apartment that you are like, oh, this would be really good to teach from. There's nice lighting here, there's a beautiful background, but it's just not practical to put a permanent desk there. If that is the case, this is a great setup for you. Of course, this is not a flawless solution, so there are some drawbacks to this type of teaching scenario. Number one, the ironing board with the box on top of it is a little bit unstable, so you have to be careful when you're moving your mouse around or clicking into the next slide that you're not rocking the webcam too much or your laptop too much. The other drawback is that, you know, there is space on top of the ironing board to put some props, but maybe not all of the props that you'd like to incorporate. All things considered, I think this is a fantastic option for anyone who wants to teach standing up but doesn't want to spend $300 or $400 to do it. I don't really think that there's anything else that I can or need to say about this type of desk. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you end up trying this in your own classroom, drop me a comment down below. If you want to connect with me on Instagram, I would love to hear from you. I am at teacher__Michael. That is all from me. Thank you for watching, and until the next video, have fun teaching, and I will see you on the internet. Peace!